Hey guys, welcome back to ConfermentRM YouTube Channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, getting ourselves back into a 2-minute technicals video looking at Bitcoin. And as we can see, we did this weird double top pattern we were talking about. Not really weird, but a retracement double top pattern right here. And now we're kind of just negating sideways, getting trapped underneath the 702, getting rejected twice from the 786, and now we're kind of stuck in our position of trying to wonder what is going to happen next. So if we can just delete some things for the meantime right now, we'll just get rid of this upper line. But what does this look like to you? To me, this looks like a little flag. But interestingly enough, if we are to draw ourselves a nice little bottom through here, even if we were to go right here, you can see we've closed 2 candles below it. I mean, even if we were to go right here to the bottom side here of 1, 2, 3, 4, even here, it's starting. It's sort of holding itself into it. Whatever. You know what? I'll keep it like this, just for you guys. We'll do it like that. And you see, the last time we hit the top of the circle, or the trend, sorry, is right here. It comes out to actually end of day Sunday. So what we're going to be looking for in my thought process is going to be a make or break point, because we've kind of the volatile craziness of Bitcoin up and down has been pretty crazy. It's been crazy to see. So I'm looking right now to either get us a nice clean and concise break through the 702, which would yield us up here to around that 30,000 price mark, right? Just about. But it's a Monday. It's going to be like a Sunday to a Monday, so I'm really curious to see what happens with that. But it basically comes down here to the 200-day moving average here around $28,500. Because usually we go more stale on the weekends, but something's brewing, and I'm not really liking it. Let me see if I use candle bodies. The candle bodies might be a little bit more telling. So remember, guys, I don't really like to use wicks. And even then, the move might be a little bit smaller than that. Let's see. If we just do candle bodies like this, grab it here, last time it touched, still gonna be, so it's on its way to do it right now. If we did that, it's on its way to push down here to around 28,500 if it's gonna fall through. But if it's able to hold itself above that 20-day moving average here in the 4-hour, and it's actually able to get through the upper trend here, it could get up to 30 grand. But I'm just saying, I'm looking from the 0.5 to the 382 right here. This little region, only because we're at the top of the range, we haven't been able to get through the 786. And, it's 2 retests through it. I wonder if I turn, the volume is dwindling here. It's, in my mind, I'm thinking, coming down here, you guys know that this is my little thought process there. Got this little neckline support that's coming through. I wonder if that would be able to hold itself as well. But I'm definitely intrigued. It got its push through here, back up on the 4-hour, but it looks like now it wants to come down and retest. Let's see. Going to the 1 day here, it's the same thing. You can see that the fall, the retrace, and now it looks like worst case at the moment, at least in like for the next day or so, it's going to be 28,779 right around here, because you can see the 20-day moving average is right there, and then it continues. You can grab this here and you see it shows it right to that point. So that's what I'm looking at least. But we'll have to find out how tomorrow goes to really judge Monday. Because if we can break through here, get above the 702, and start to push upwards and actually set another high above this $30,000 price mark, then I'd be like a little more, optimistic. But at the moment, you have 2, on a 4-hour here, you can see you have 2 retests of trying to really get through there, and you couldn't. So it's going to be interesting nonetheless. But this is typically your structure for a retracement. You came back up, came back down, came back up, and then you crash. That's typically what happens. So this is what I'm kind of looking for. I'm looking for, what's this, by mid to late, is it next week? Let's see. not next week, it's the week after. So it looks like this trend could play out and just kind of come back down, hit 27,000, come back up, hit 28.7, then come back down. It looks like it could be pretty volatile for the next like week and a half, 2 weeks. But hope you guys are having a good one. Have a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Appreciate every single one of you. And I'll see you in the next one. Remember, none of it's financial advice. Goodbye, guys.